Hey, it's Frankie Cola. This video will talk about what to do when a girl doesn't text back. If you're watching this, then there's a good chance you've been in a situation when a girl stops responding to your text messages. Sometimes it seems like everything is going well, and it seems like she might even like you. All of a sudden, you are texting and she doesn't reply. You text her again a couple days later, and she replies. But she's not as enthusiastic as before, instead replying with boring one-word replies. And then you wonder to yourself, did you say something wrong? Did she lose interest? Did she find someone else? A very common mistake guys make is investing too much in text conversations. When you spend a lot of time just texting a girl and not trying to get her out on a date, she starts seeing you more as a text buddy rather than a potential lover or boyfriend. The purpose of texting with a girl is to get her out and then have those conversations in person. The reason we like to avoid proposing the meetup is because it feels so much easier to have a conversation over text. Why? Because you don't have to go through the risk of asking her out. Yet, time and time again, doing what feels right doesn't get you the result that you want. You have to do courage in order to do what is right and not what feels right. If a girl has truly gone cold on you, then it's time to create something crazy like a text that makes her very curious. Here's an example. Send her, haha, is it true? And then see what happens. Afterwards, it's up to you on how you want to respond. It's best that you make up something based on what you already know about her. For example, if she likes cats, you can tell her you saw a cat on the street that looks exactly like her, and then ask her if it's true that she's going to be in the next Batman movie. Something silly like that. Once you get her to laugh and reply, from then on, you can have a simple conversation that ends with you asking her to get together with you at a specific place and specific time. If you want girls texting you back, and you want to create attraction in a girl over text, then I recommend you read a report called The 7 Deadly Texting Mistakes That Lead to Rejection. It's a free report, and you can get it by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.